GD&T. Okay, now we start. Udit.
Yes sir, start कीजिए.
Okay, dear all, please mute your mic, please. Now, yesterday I have discussed basically different types of introduction about the GD&T, what is the use, applications, and types of feed, what is the feed, what is the types of feed, which type of the system feed are used, or maybe whole based system are used, or maybe software system are used. Then basically today discuss and different types of IT grades, basically types of holes, all type of basically IT grades and fundamental deviation, 25 types of fundamental deviation I will discuss in detail. Right now, I'll today discuss the tolerances. What is the mean of the tolerances? What is the mean of the tolerances? Why the tolerance is required? So, अगर मैं बात करूँ कि what is the tolerance? It is the allowable deviation from a standard है basically tolerance को if you define the tolerance, the magnitude of permissible variation of a dimension, or you can say the allowable deviation from a standard. For example, अगर हम बात करते हैं tolerance की कि how much the tolerance is given, suppose the shaft diameter, for example here you can see, just I'll draw a shaft, right, and the shaft diameter here, and the shaft diameter is given, that is 50 plus minus 0.02, right? It means that is the maximum upper limit is 0.50.02 and 49.98. Now you can minus these both 50 if you minus the 50.02 minus 49.92, that is the total tolerance is 0.04. So this zone is the tolerance zone basically, right? And tolerance is a very important in a manufacturing process, because you can see here that is the one graph in between the manufacturing cost in the x-axis, y-axis, and the x-axis, that is the tolerance work. And yesterday I have already discussed, if the tolerance zone is less,
हेलो
you can
अजय
see
सर.
here that is yes,
सर
yes.
सर आप एक बार ना इस स्क्रीन को दोबारा प्रेजेंट कर दीजिए, कुछ बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, शो नहीं हो रही है.
ओके ओके
ठीक है सर, ने से बस तो आ रही है, उनको बोल दोगे वो पिन कर दें.
yes, you can
आ
see.
गया सर. हाँ सर.
Okay.
Continue sir.
Okay, continue.
Now you can see here basically that the manufacturing cost in the y-axis and the tolerance zone in x-axis. If the tolerance zone, if the tolerance criteria is very less, right? Like you can the criteria that IT grade, I have discussed that tolerance grade is defined in 18 IT grade, IT00, IT01, and IT1 to 16. The total 18 tolerance is IT grade is there. Suppose these is the 00 and these point is IT0, IT01, IT1 and up to the IT16. It means the tolerance grade is increased, right? And you can see here the manufacturing cost basically in case of the low minimum tolerance grade, and it belongs to the IT00 grade. This becomes like this. The cost of this grade is during this stage, the cost will be increased. It means, for example, you can suppose, for example, for measuring instrument, example is a measuring instrument like screw gauge, slip gauge, or maybe some vernier or micrometer. We can find out that the cost is very high, because that the tolerance is very less, and 0.10 mm and 20 mm the basically कि बीच की डिफरेंस को हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. तो दैट्स वाई ये इंपॉर्टेंट बहुत है कि अगर टॉलरेंस आपका ज्यादा होगा तो आपकी टॉलरेंस का वेरिएशन ज्यादा होगा तो आप बीजी तरीके से प्रोडक्ट को मैन्युफैक्चर कर सकते हैं. Now there are basically tolerance. There are two types of the tolerance. One is the dimension tolerance, and second is the geometrical tolerance. But in case of the dimension tolerance, basically three types of tolerance. One is unilateral, second is the bilateral, and third is the compound. Now you can see here basically unilateral. Unilateral is, it means uni मतलब होता है one. एक तरफ अगर कहीं भी आपका डायमेंशन दिया होगा इसको बोलेंगे बेसिक डायमेंशन में. अगर एक जगह जहां पे भी दिया होगा तो हम बोलेंगे उसको यूनिलेटरल. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी हियर दैट इज 15 1.5, दैट इज द बेसिक डायमेंशन, एंड प्लस 0.005 और माइनस 0.05. अगर इसमें ये जीरो प्लस माइनस दोनों है यहाँ पे, अगर आप देखेंगे यू कैन सी माइनस प्लस, बट इस माइनस को इसमें से इस बेसिक डायमेंशन में माइनस करने के बाद भी इसकी वैल्यू में कोई चेंज नहीं हो रही है. यू कैन यूज दैट इज द यूनिलेटरल. Suppose these value it becomes like plus minus 0.005, it becomes that is the bilateral. Now you can see here that is, you can see here that is the dimension is 1.500 plus minus 0.002, and here that is 1.500 plus in 0.005 and minus in 0.003. You can see here basically in the bilateral plus minus is the equal. Right, so that is bilateral equal, and if these dimension tolerance dimension is variation 0.005 and 0.003, both are the unequal, so that is bilateral is unequal type. Third one is compound tolerance. Compound tolerance you can see here basically more than अगर one dimension में अगर tolerance दी हुई है तो हम बोलते हैं compound tolerance. Basically you can see suppose here that is the R, right, the dimension. If and here if you the if the variation of R का जो टॉलरेंस है प्लस माइनस, अगर ये डिस्टेंस अगर हम चेंज करते हैं तो व्हाट विल द डिफरेंस, व्हाट विल बी चेंजेस. बेसिकली these will be 40 plus 0.02 changes, these angle will also changes, and these are also changes. So basically one से ज्यादा आपका dimension tolerance दिया compound, that is the compound. But these type of the compound tolerance is not using generally for the manufacturing process basically, right? So basically you can see in the industry the unilateral and bilateral dimension tolerances are used maximum.
सर एक मिनट ललित अपनी प्रेजेंटिंग बंद करो. ललित राघव सर स्टार्ट कीजिए.
Now in the industry basically unilateral and bilateral tolerances zone are using. Compound tolerance is not using generally. Now these are basically second type of the geometrical tolerances, या fourth type कह सकते हैं कि GD&T का part tolerance का classification है. So in that case basically you can see here the basically geometrical dimension. What is the meaning of the geometrical dimension and geometrical tolerancing and dimension tolerancing? Once I am define dimension and geometrical. It means you can see here dimension that is comes in the value, right, like 50 plus minus 0.02 or something else. These changes in the dimension is the unilateral, but these mean the geometry. Geometry means like shape, right, like आपका concentricity या जो आपके diameters हो गया या positions हो गया या angular हो गया, ये सारी चीजें इसमें अगर variation आता है you can say that is the geometrical tolerances, right? And the geometrical tolerances you can see here basically given in the feature control form, like this symbol is there, these are the there, that is some dimension, this is a symbol of the diameter 0.01 into x. So I'll discuss what is this basically the geometrical.
सर एक मिनट
हेमंत इज प्रेजेंटिंग.
हेमंत प्रेजेंटिंग बंद करो अपनी. सर एक बार आप दोबारा प्रेजेंट कर दीजिए.
सर दोबारा कर दीजिए एक बार.
Seen?
ठीक है सर. आप नहीं.
please mute the mic. Everyone. Geometrical tolerances are used to indicate the relationship of the one part to an object with another. It means basically the geometrical tolerances is defined with the respect to other parts also. It means basically this symbol is represented, and suppose for example, I am showing one example here. Like these circle, this is the circle, pure hole, right? This is the axis, and this is the axis. Suppose these axes will properly meet in each parts. No, that is the center point not meet exactly in each cases. That's why there some variation is there. This shifted like this, something this. So that's why the geometrical tolerances are required for the manufacturing industry. Now, what is the basically different type of tolerances? The history of using of the standards basically, and some silent feature of the GD&T, that the cylindrical tolerance zone, maximum material condition, how much the material will remove, maximum material condition, or maybe the minimum material condition, and what is the datum? Basically, datum is the तल datum को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं तल. ये एक ऐसा पॉइंट होता है, इसके रेफरेंस से सारी चीजें हम प्रोसीड करते हैं. दैट इज, तो ये सारी चीजें वी कैन डिस्कस वन बाय वन. And which type of the standard are used basically, right? ANSI earlier 14.10 1964 1996 1964 ANSI. ANSI represent the American National Standard Institute. Y is the series, 14.5 is the number. These are the year basically. That is the ANSI. After that ANSI, ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineering are used in 1994. ये सारा डायमेंशन टॉलरेंस के लिए यूज करते हैं. एंड ASME वाइड 14.51 5.1 M 1994, दैट इज मैथमेटिकल डिफिनेशंस के लिए यूज करते हैं बेसिकली. एंड ASME रिसेंटली the ASME are using right now ASME Y 14.5 M 2018 are using for the GD&T parameters for according to the standards. Now ISO is also using basically some ISO is using based upon the ASME Y 14.10. But now there are in ISO basically the cost, the standards, that there are a lot of the parameters as variation. So that's why for the mechanical engineering, this the American Society of Mechanical Engineering Y 14.5 M 2018 are used. And some Indian standards is also used. 8000 RE reframe in the 2005, but standard is here and all over world globally, that is ASME Y 14.5 and 2018 are used. Now there are some structure of this key. What is the meaning of standards of the ASME 14.5? What is the structure? So basically there are GD&T में हम बात करते हैं the symbolic language, right? Symbolic language of representation of the design. So that is, it defines the scope, definition, and general dimension of the parameters. In ASNI, represented like this. In ASI, that is this. In ASI, basically, that is using this one like this, and here in ASME are using ASME 1.8. That is A. I'll show you once again what the meaning of this square box. A, B, C, and how it is represented on like this triangle, right? The design basically in the design part, that is this symbol is very, very important. So these are referencing from the data referencing symbology, tolerance load. All you can see in the box, like 3 boxes there. That is one. 3 represent something represent. So basic and structure of this ASME. So what is the ASME and GD&T? So ASME ISO standards basically. So these are some topic basically approach, explanation, cost of and number of standards basically. You can see here in ASME. And the ISO, the ASME is the theoretical and ISO is the theoretical and ASME is the functional, basically more practical, and there are the graphical and few words, that is the comprehensive. And the cost you can see here, that is the 100,000 USD, but here you can see 100 USD. And the number of standard in the ISO, that is 10 to 16. It means the variation of ISO is 10 to 50, minimum is the 10, maximum the 16 variation of the same पार्ट को अगर आपको डिजाइन करना है तो इसमें 16 टाइप के स्टैंडर्ड्स मिलेंगे. तो इट्स नॉट अ स्टैंडर्ड ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड है, ये ग्लोबली सबके लिए यूज किया जाता है. So that is very useful for the ASME, for the GD&T, for the geometrical tolerances. Now some definition is here. You can see like datum. Datum basically is the reference point, theoretically exact point of plane, जिसको कि हम बोलते हैं तल. Datum is the तल. इस ये वो पॉइंट होता है जो जिसके रेफरेंस पॉइंट से हम किसी को रेफरेंस देते हैं, फीचर को मेजर करते हैं. इट मींस if you measure the any dimension, we need some reference of the axis or some plane. So that's why datum is the mandatory in the geometrical tolerances basically. If datum is not given, तो ये आपका जो है बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. आपका जो सॉफ्ट है या कोई बॉक्स है तो प्रॉपर तरीके से बन नहीं पाएगा, या सॉफ्ट हो गया बार, या आप होल कर रहे हो, या कोई भी ड्राइंग बना रहे हैं एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट, यू कैन नॉट मीटिंग दिस पॉइंट. These are the theoretically exact point or axis or plane to derive from the true geometry. That is true geometry counterpart. It means ये वो पॉइंट है जिसके रेफरेंस से हम किसी भी फीचर्स को मेजर करते हैं, और कुछ फीचर्स में हम रेफरेंस लेते हैं और कहीं पे हम रेफरेंस नहीं लेते हैं. इट मींस कि जहां पे हम बात करेंगे कि वी नीड सम रेफरेंसेस की कहां पे हमें चाहिए कहां पे नहीं चाहिए, वो सारी चीजें हम बात करेंगे. व्हाट इज द डेटम फीचर? यू कैन सी हियर द डेटम फीचर, द एक्चुअल फीचर एंड द रियल पार्ट यूज्ड इन एस्टैब्लिश इन द डेटम. लाइक फॉर हियर यू कैन सी दैट इज द one box is here, right? This is the one box and this is the object, right? And you can see these are the plane. The datum plane, suppose you measure any parts in the manufacturing, use the surface table. So surface table, the surface plate is the datum feature simulator, right? The datum feature simulator, the surface plate, the surface sufficient precision to establish the simulated datum. So that is the surface plate is the surface simulator, right? And this surface simulator top point होता है basically. अगर हम बात करते हैं कि एक प्लेट है, इस पे स्टैंड खड़ा है, एक स्टैंड पे आपका सरफेस प्लेट खड़ा है, तो उसका जो टॉप लेवल है वो पूरा इक्वल होगा. यू कैन मेजर विद, या आप मेजर कर सकते हो उसको 0 कर सकते हैं. तो यू कैन वाटर लेवल इंडिकेटर से यू कैन मेजर विद द लेवल इंडिकेटर्स. एंड दीज प्लेन्स बेसिकली, दीज प्लेन्स होगा हमारा, ये प्लेन आपका डेटम प्लेन होगा, राइट? एंड इस प्लेन पे जो भी हम अगर ऑब्जेक्ट रखते हैं तो दैट इज, ये आपका एक्चुअल सरफेस है, दैट इज द डेटम फीचर्स बोलते हैं इसको. दैट इज द एक्चुअल सरफेस, दीज आर द एक्चुअल सरफेस ऑफ दिस ऑब्जेक्ट. तो अगर हम इस पे जो चीज रखते हैं तो दैट इज called the datum feature. And same is the datum simulator. Here you can see some second image, that is a datum simulator, datum target. So the point axis on the plane established by processing or inspection equipment. तो अगर हम बात करते हैं datum feature simulator, तो ये जो पोर्शन होता है datum feature में, ये जो adjustable gauges जो यूज करते हैं, या datum features में जो आपका फीचर्स इन द सेंस की जो आपका शेप है, जैसे कि होल है या रेक्टेंगल है, या उसके अंदर दिया हुआ है कि क्या बोलते हैं कि डिफरेंट टाइप्स के प्रोब्स हो गए, स्लॉट्स हो गए, दैट इज यूज द datum features and datum simulator. Now some feature size, basically feature size is you can see here, just I'll show the figure. That is the feature size here, like this is the feature box, right? So feature size means, I'll show the next. No, feature size means that suppose कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसके बीच में अगर सिलेंडर है, स्फीयर का शेप बना हुआ है, या कोई भी पार्ट्स टाइप का पैरेलल है, सरफेस है, उसके अंदर बना हुआ है, जो कंपोनेंट बने उसको बोलते हैं फीचर साइज बोलते हैं. देन you can see these are the exact drawing, right? These are the exact drawing, and you can see here lot of the things, that is you can see here